Okay, so yesterday we had seen in day one that how we can use CSS. What is external CSS? What is internal? What is inline? Three types of CSS. We know that there is no contradiction while writing, means we can go with any one, but who is the means which is best one, which we have to follow, internal, external, or inline? Which one, Amol? Which one we have to follow?
External, sir.
External CSS, because what is the reason behind that? Code is clean,
The clear and
separate file, so it
yeah.
become easy to handle. Correct. So today we going to look over the background property. Okay, already we seen that what is the property in the background case, but we will go much more deeper. So suppose you have to add an image or background color. We already know that how we can add background color. Correct. Then background image already we know, but we will go one by one. Okay, so go with background color first. Let's see any examples is available here. It's opposite. Okay, example is not there. Wait 1 second. So I will add some text here. Just wait. Okay, so we added some text. What I want that behind of that particular text, color should be something behind this one. Okay, I want to add color for particular that section. Where I will add? Amol, any idea? So see, I will not go while practice. I will not go with external CSS. I will write inline or internal, anyone that will be. But you have to write external only. Okay. Okay. So if I want to add background color, how I can add? Pooja, any idea?
Style background.
Okay. Means
Sir,
in the
H,
internal. Okay.
sir, H1 curly bracket open and closing and background color.
Background color. Fine. Go with
Internal
that.
CSS, sir.
Okay. Fine. So we got our color, but I not want with the H1. What is the other way? We had passed with the help of tag. H1 is the tag, but I not want with the tag. What is the other option?
With class, sir.
Class
Using a span.
Class
and
and ID.
ID.
A span no need, because a span it will suppose in the middle anywhere. If you have to pass, then be using a span because that is inline. So what is the other option? Passing with class and ID. Correct. So go with a class or ID. Anything. Tell me, Sivani, how we can write a class or ID.
In H1 tag,
Okay.
hash
Tell.
class name.
Okay. Tell any name. Okay.
Mm,
Take a para one. Fine. Next.
Next in style,
Okay.
dot para.
Okay. Dot should be required. Fine.
Yeah.
Let's see. So we not get any changes because it's working fine. Okay. So now we will move another some colors. Let's see. This fine. What I want, Amol. Okay, Pooja. I want the color green color in the background of the body. Means whatever empty area you getting here, we want the color in this section. How we want? How we will do that?
In the whole background or
Yeah.
only text
No,
background?
no. Complete whole. Who is the root? If we thinking regarding body, then who is root?
Class. Para.
No, but class para is root for this paragraph only. Correct?
Yes.
But if we want in the full body, then who is root?
Sir, inline add style in body tag and
Yeah.
apply internal
Correct.
bo-
So
tag body apply.
So here
Style
we
tag.
have to move. Means line number 17. Pass here a style. If we want a style like this way, that also fine. If you not, then no issue. You can go here and give any class name. Okay. Till class. Class name we will pass here and write like body. I am sorry. Body section. Okay. Body section and next. If this one, then okay. Now tell how I can pass that background color. That will be same, correct? Background color, and we can pass whatever color we want.
For body section dot.
Yeah. So dot should be required. That's why I had left. If I telling I left, maybe somebody will think he don't know. That's why he telling I left. Okay. So now we have to pass some color. Go with some color, cyan. Let's save. What happened? We got that color in complete body. Means now whatever section you will pass, you will get this background color in your full body. Got this? Anyone having issue in case of background? So first assignment which we had given banner text, in that you have to take two div section. In one div section, some text is there like this is banner. Wait. This is banner text like this way. Okay. And in other section means don't pass this openly. No, pass with a div. I told you already. Never we have to write like this way. Always we have to write with a div section. Okay. So one div section is this one, and in one div section, the other thing will start. Correct or not? This way you have to separate the section. See this way. I don't know what was there in this section. I think some list was there. So take UL, unordered list, and then LI, fine. Then take home. Okay. Then take something like this type. So you will get like this way. But why be getting bold? Be getting bold because here the H1 tag. Remove this H1 tag. No need this paragraph also. Now save. We got like this way. Correct or not? There was some background color for this also. So what you will do? You will pass background color for this div. Got this? Or anyone having doubt? Okay. I will not add any CSS here. Give it some class name. Okay, let it to be. What was that? Suppose background color here again we have to pass. Go with some color. No need to whatever color we are giving in US in assignment. No need to add that particular color only. You can take any, but section should be like that. Fine. So this way we can create our design. Anyone having any issue in background case? Anyone having issue?
No, sir.
No issue. Already we know that different ways of passing color. Now the term is opacity. What is opacity? Can anyone? Opacity in the sense transparency. Transparency means now you can able to look over this text properly. All text. It looking like exact, but you can pass opacity. Now I will show you one thing. One term that is a DOM. Okay. What is a DOM? DOM means document object model. Okay. Whatever that's a whatever design or whatever text you getting on the UI, that is for the that is coming from where? Coming from our source code. Okay. But I not want to make color changes or these all things here directly. We can do one more option we have. What is that? That is DOM. Right click and inspect. Okay. And now we can just wait with responsive. Okay. So what I want to make some color changes there in this section. Okay, I want to just verify whether the working or not, like this way. So this is known as a DOM. So how I had opened that one, right click and right click or left click, and then you will get this screen. After this, you can look over here in this section that some code is available. Maybe you will think this is source code, but this is source code, but not exact source code. Something differ will be. But when you moving cursor, see some cursor is that some section is highlighting on our UI side, correct? So what I want to change color for this banner. This is a banner text, that one. What I can do, I can highlight that particular text. How? Put your cursor here, okay? And after that, just right click, you will get option for inspect. Click this one, and after clicking, you will see that now your this dark gray color is coming on the LI. When I will click this, it will auto move on this section. Just see where we gone. It got highlighted on this section. This is a banner text. We had not moved there. But what I had done, I had just put cursor over that text or whatever area you want. Right click, and after that you will get inspect. Click this one. You will get that. Now what I want, my need is to make a change, color change for this. This is a banner text. Okay. I will do one thing, just increase and see here on the top you getting some section, and one more page is also there for selecting that particular. Right click and that also be doing, but one more option, this icon, select an element. You will click this and move your cursor over this one. It will give you which section you want, like this way. Okay, click this. After clicking, it will highlight that particular section. Okay, like this way we can navigate to our DOM area. DOM means a document object model. This will be temporary. This will be not permanent. Then why we are using, if this is temporary, we have to go with permanent, correct? But what we are doing actually, we want to make some color changes. We will highlight that one, and after that here in the below a styles section is there. Computed, layout, event is listener, DOM breakpoint. So in the style section, one tag is written element dot style. Pass here whatever you want. What we want, Pooja? I want to change the color. This is a banner text. I want to make some different color. Amol, what will be the that style for changing the color of the text? Background
Color.
color or color? Color.
Color.
Okay, so what I will do, I will pass that property here, element dot style section, COLO. See, when you start writing, it will auto give you all the things. So just hit enter color, and now after that, in this side means after colon, it giving you all the color, correct? So this way we can verify, means on the real time itself we can verify there whether it's looking good or not. Suppose that this I want, it's looking good. I don't know what is the color name, but we got something color name. So when you will scroll, you will get. Now just hit enter. After pressing, you will get something in the next line. If not, even if not got, no issue. When you will click on this section itself, means this horizontal line section which is divided, just click that area. Okay, and after that you will get. We got something. After that, what we will do now, if we want something different style, suppose that I have to add background color. Already background color is there, but I want something. We have to check. What we will do? We will pass background hyphen color. Okay, let's check and pass another color. Like this way, it will change. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, so this way, what we had done, we had got to a style. We had modified something. But you know one thing, when we will refresh this page, this will gone because the term which I had told this is temporary. Let's do one thing. Now I want copy this style. I will apply the same style. So what I will do, I will just put cursor left, press left button of the mouse and select like this way, and then Control C. That's it. And after selecting, where you had added this, we had added in H1 section. What is the class name? Para. See here. What is the class name? Para. Let's look over our para class name. Class name is para. Remove this section. I not want that style. I want my style, which we had got from the DOM. So see, if I will save, this will not going to make any changes. Okay, but I will not save now. Just wait 1 second. What I will do, what I had told, this is temporary. My file is not saved. This is whatever you getting old one. What I will do, 1 second. Okay, so I had told that this is temporary. We will refresh the page, and after that you have to observe the changes. I'm going to refresh your page. What happened? Where is my changes? Changes gone because I had told this is temporary. So for what purpose we are using DOM? For just for verification, means whatever style you want, you have to change like this way. If that not looking good, in that case you will check that, means here, and then you will apply, copy that style. And actually I had copied already. Okay, if I had copied already, it is available here. I will uncomment now, and now save. Now we got that style. So this way we can verify our DOM section, means whatever changes you want, you can do like this way. Is it clear what is DOM? DOM means temporary. Whatever changes you want, not only a style. If you want something here in the HTML section also, double click. What you getting? This is banner text. I not want this as a text. I want something banner image. Okay, and hit enter. See, we had modified it in the HTML itself. But what about, will it after refresh also, will it maintain the same thing or it will change? Amol, what are you thinking?
Sir, only not, sir.
It will not maintain. Okay,
Yes,
so let's refresh page and let's look over that. So after refresh, we got our previous one. This is banner text. Now my question is that, then from where this all are coming? This is banner text, then home, whatever color name we had passed. From where that is coming? That is coming from our source code. Our source code in the sense, our VS code, whatever we had passed there. Correct or not? So this is permanent. Correct. This one, whatever we had written here, this is permanent, because after refreshing of page also, it not going to change, because these all coming from the main source itself. But when you're writing anything in your DOM, it will change. So as much style if you want, you can pass. Suppose that you not want this style, and you want to just you want to see something changes, and then whether it's correct or not, then we want, then you can uncheck that. Here check mark is coming. Okay, click this. Click this. This all style gone. Come to here. Then what is that? H1. Okay, let it to be. Then this box model we will consider later. So this way we can remove our style also. It is not like that only we can add, we can remove. But what about this? This will permanent removed or what? Temporary?
temporary, sir.
Temporary. Because we know that DOM is a temporary. So whatever changes we want, that will be temporary purpose. Just for justification, because now you will think why we will come here and do then copy and paste this, that. But just imagine if you had written here some color name, just let this itself. Otherwise, wait. Otherwise, suppose we have to write something like background color itself. By mistake, suppose you had written like BSCK background color, this came. but I had not written COLOUR. Suppose you written by mistake this one. You not got suggestion, and suppose you written like this. Now if you checking whether it will work or not, we don't know. Now it gone. So it's better whenever you have to do somewhat extra changes or something like that. That case you can check their DOM, and once it reflected, it means say whatever you means whatever requirement. If you got, you can copy and paste the code there. It's fine. Clear what is the DOM and how we are manipulating in the DOM. It is temporary. In interview, mostly they are asking this question. Okay, whether JavaScript, HTML, CSS, in all, because this is important concept actually. DOM. Now, so what I was looking for opacity. I have to make opacity. Opacity means a transparency. Transparency means this is a banner text. This is looking complete bold and highlighting also. I want to make some changes. Property is opacity, OPAC, opacity, pass value 0.5. See what happened. This darkness become light, correct? And one thing, value will be always from 1 to 0, means 0 to 1. Pass 0, complete gone. Okay, but remove this, pass 1, no changes. Pass 0.2, normal get bold. Pass 0.3, something 6, 9 will be almost equal to 1, 4. Had you got something? This way we can make our anything visible or hidden like this way. So we will take the opacity and pass in the body itself. Where is the body section? No, let it to be here. So this is opacity. So what it doing actually? It making something, not only particular text. If you want complete body, you can. On image, mostly you will see that opacity is there. So wherever you seeing gray type, somewhat one mask type, okay, so that will be opacity. It giving you gray type, grayish or whitish type. Okay, anyone having doubt, tell me. In opacity, hello, anyone having doubt? Pooja, Shweta came or not?
No, sir.
No doubt. Who is that? Shweta is not there. Okay. Okay. So I think no doubt. Correct. So next thing. So with his opacity, what we had done, we had pass transparency means you can tell simply transparency layer type. Okay. So same thing we can do with the help of color also. Suppose that you had used this means background some color like yellow type. Okay, that color name is corn silk. If we want something different, you can go by this also, and you can select somewhat whatever you want, then also you will get, means that will be also possible with the help of a color, but that will be not work exact what opacity will do, because when you will work on the image, then you will look that how that coming. So second, I think no one having any issue. Correct. Let's move next. Next is background image. Already we had discussed. See, whatever CSS you getting, already we know. This is just a quick revision type, you can imagine. So next is background image. Suppose that if you have to pass image in the background, how you will do? Can anyone tell me code? In the, I want in the body section. Shivani, tell me how we can. From both Shivani, who is sleeping, just tell me the code.
Background image.
Okay, fine. Background image. Next we have to pass here URL. Okay, not like previously, because in previous case what we were doing, wait, let me write first URL, and after that single quote, then pass a dot slash, dot slash, then image, and we can select any image and save. Oh, Mango came. Okay, so this way we had passed image in the full body, but I not want let it to be. But okay, in case of image tag img, okay, see how we was passing img tag. img, just help me this in this one. How will pass? Dot slash dot slash, then im image, then we will take any image. Let's see, we got one image. Okay, because in the case of image we had passed src. Okay, but when you going with background image, then you have to pass url. There will be not src property. Okay, so just go with url and pass this one, let it to be this. Fine. Okay, go with 3. So we got this image. Now what I want to make, is this clear? What is the use of background image? The background image become visible in complete background section. Wherever you passing, that is the main thing. Okay, if you passing on complete body section itself, I passed in the body section, so it came like this. But if you want for particular section, you have to pass, but property will be same. And one thing, what is this actually, and what is another left side and right side of colon? What is that? Can anyone? What is that? Left side and right side of CSS. Any idea? What we are telling for that? No idea.
Sir, margin.
No, not that one. Means suppose this color is written and colon is there. So what is before colon and what is after colon? Means we had written something, color, background color, something like that. Opacity. So what is the exact name for that?
Image is a property and URL is a image path.
Correct. So this is property. Okay, and this is the value, URL. Got it? This left side of colon, this is the property, and this is their value. If that is that one, then what is this a style? Property and value. What is this a style? Pooja, don't sleep. Time is 7:30. What is a style? Amol?
Sir, style is a
Attribute.
Yeah, that is attribute. Okay, this is attribute, and inside background dash color, whatever we had written, that is property, and second is the value. Fine. So in this way we can add our background image. Now I want to apply opacity over this image. Just now we had seen, oh my god, just now we had seen what is the use of opacity. Let's say do one thing. Let's see, on body section we had apply. Fine, go with here, pass opacity, and we want opacity like 0.5. What happened? Where it gone? It passed in the complete body section. That's why that become opacity. Means that text, whatever text is there, it become visible or hidden like that way. Now see, if you will pass opacity, will be like 1. No changes. When you passing opacity 0, complete whatever text was written on the top, it gone. So with the help of opacity, we can perform like that way. We can make whatever images in the background, it will make a transparency for the upper layer. Okay, this way you can utilize. See this text. Now it is means whatever image is there, it is properly visible. Clear? What is the use of that? When we will use, whenever there is need, you can pass like this way. When you will go with real time website, then you will look over this. Don't worry. So in case of background image, anyone having issue?
no,
issue?
sir.
Okay. So now second thing here, the image which we had passed, these all are simple. That's why I'm telling you. The image which you getting here, these are repeated. Correct. But I not want repeated image. We want single image. Okay. So what is the property name?
Background repeat. Non-repeat.
1 second. Okay. So suppose where we had passed in the body section. Okay. So we will apply in the body section itself, not anywhere. Background, repeat. Now see what are the property they have. Background,
Non
repeat. Their
non-repeat.
property, no repeat. Okay. Let's see and check what it doing. No repeat. Okay. Means it not going to repeat. With the help of no repeat, we can stop the repetition. Okay. Wait. No repeat. Fine. Next. Next, background, repeat. Then no repeat, repeat while X. What it will do? Can anyone? What it will do? Repeat horizontal X. Means it will repeat your image. It telling that repeat. But where? Repeat along X axis. Let's save and check. What it done? It had repeated our image, but in X direction only. Correct? Now, second. See, these all things you have to practice one by one, then you will get idea what it is going to do. Now I want to repeat, but where? I want to repeat along Y axis. Repeat Y. This way you got. Got my point? How we can do that? Clear or not? So these are the some property. You will get that idea. Clear? Or anyone having doubt in case of background repeat?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. So with the help of this, we can repeat in both direction, where horizontal and vertical, both. Now, and when we not want to repeat, we will use the property no repeat. Fine. Second, background position. Where is that attachment? Okay. But if we want the same image to be in full screen, what was property? Amardeep, what was property that one? For image, can anyone? If I want image in the full screen, single image itself. What was that property name? Hello? No one. Okay. It will come in the middle, I think. Okay. Next,
Sir,
what is that?
size
Yeah.
fix.
X. Don't know. Oh, I think that, yeah. Background attach position. No,
Size.
background size. Background size. Auto cover. Yeah, this one. Cover. Yeah. Only Praful is a study. After all, sleeping. So see, with the help of background cover, background size, cover property, we can pass that complete single image in complete section. Okay, means complete page itself. So not only this image, whatever image you are passing, just you have to take care. And some other property is also there. Don't think this 8 and 9 is coming a direct, means some property value. No, that is coming because I have the image name like that way. So no need to pass the image again and again. So with the help of cover property, we can make that image incomplete background section. Okay, background size. What is the another one? Cover auto. Let's check auto. Then it will not give. Oh, repeat is there. Wait. What it going to do? It will not do anything because this is auto. Auto means automatic. Whatever repetition or whatever have to follow. That's it. So with the help of cover, we can do that thing. Okay. Clear this one? Next. Yeah, no repeat already be seen. Next, background position. What it going to do? Just see. What you thinking? What it will do? And one thing, While practicing time, please comment this all one by one. Otherwise, if you passing something and once on one place you are pushing some image and on other place you are pulling that one, it will not work. That's why I commenting these all. Otherwise, it will mix all. Okay. So what are you thinking? Background position, right top, what it will come? Any idea? Don't tell that you are writing code, you have to know that. Pooja, are you sleeping? I know that.
No, sir.
What are you thinking? Background position, go with general term. In position, what are you thinking about the position? Position means placement of something somewhere, placing of
Yes.
some item somewhere like that. So what is the position we had passed here? Right top, correct? Right top in the sense this have to come in the right top, right side corner, this section. Let's save and check. Where is that? Okay. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Wait. I had passed this image in complete body, then how this will come? Because it will repeat also. Let me. Okay, no repeat should be first. Yeah. That. Yeah, now it will come. Okay. So we got that image in the right side, right and top. Let's comment this. And first think, where is that image? That image in the left side. Now I had passed a background position. Comment and comment this one. And let's save. Where that image gone? This image gone in the right side and top. Correct? So how that gone? Previously, why it was not coming? Because we had removed this one, background repeat, no repeat. That's why image was repeating. Correct? But if image is repeating, we can't get that exact property because it repeating, it occupying the full space. So we had to stop that repetition, and after that we had moved in the background position property, right top. So what you thinking? What may be another one? I don't know that whether it will work others or not. Let's verify. So what will this corner name? Bottom, and what is that? Right. Correct. So
Right
right.
top.
Yeah. So remove top and go with a bottom and just verify. Is it working? No, it gone somewhere on the top itself. So I think only two positions it will work. By default left or right top. Maybe go do one thing. Take bottom. Where it going? Just see. If we taking bottom, then it coming in center. Let it to be. So what we will use? Top, right. And by default, it will be in left side. And if you want, you can move this one. Clear? Anyone having issue? In position, we will pass because this what value they have, we have to verify. We can't pass any value from our end. No. Whatever property and value they have, we have to follow their value, not our side. Anyone having issue? Background position case? We can move our image like that way in the right side and top. You can check one by one whether it's a what are the different value, then you will get that idea. Next, background attachment. I think we had seen this background attachment already. Amol, had we seen or not?
Seen, sir.
What it was doing actually?
So background image is
Background attachment.
add.
See, with the help of background attachment, what it was doing? It was holding image in the background, but as it like attachment. Let's go with one. Where is that? Where that came? Okay, that came in the paragraph section. See, no need that always we will first write class and then we will write here. You can pass here directly and then also you can move for the class name. All will be same. You have to write this means a proper class name should be. Now I will pass this class name somewhere. Okay, let pass here itself. Okay, pass here. Pass and we'll pass that attach that one whatever we had. So see what is coming here. The image is like this way. Okay. Image got in that section, complete section. Now just see what another one it will do. Where is the property? Background fix. Yeah. What was another property? When you will scroll, actually, it is not a scrollable because text is not that much. Wait. Add here H1. I think we had given that day something, that image or yeah, okay. When you will scroll this, when you will get more and more text, and when you will scroll, then this text will be on the top, but your image will get a scroll. And we had seen that on the real-time project also. I think, wait, I will show you. How many of you had done this completed? Or who is pending still? Approach, you always telling, means you are sending this section only. From past 3 days, I getting your this section only.
Sir, I done below footer also, sir.
Yeah. So only you had got this section or any more section you have?
Sir, copyright section is missing, sir.
See, they will file you case.
Yeah,
Copyright.
sir.
Where is that? Yeah, see here, when you will get more and more content, you can see this one, a video tour is there. Okay. When you are scrolling that in the backside image, it is coming. See, now you getting here something mic or some stand, whatever is there. So when you are scrolling, you getting that image, complete image. This is coming due to background attachment fixed. This one. Background attachment fixed. I think somewhere I had written this code in this batch itself. Wait. Because that text should be required something. But I will verify globally. Control Shift and F. With the help of Alt Shift and F, when you will select this complete text and click Alt Shift or F, okay, you will search this whatever you want. You can search this in the globally Alt Shift and F. You will get the exact code wherever it we had used. See, this much section they have. How many file? Total 12 file came. Now see, background fixed here is also that 1.html fixed day batch to day 8. This is just now. Okay, this one actually. Let's say run this file. So see here, some text is available on this one. Some text is available here. When I will scroll, just look over that. What is happening? The backside image is stop, that is fixed, but we are scrolling the other section, top section. same thing happening in this real. In this section, this text or whatever upper layer is moving, but this backside image is fixed as usual. See. Okay, so this way we can use our background fixed property. Okay, I think they had used this in the body itself better. Yeah, I had passed in the deep section background image. Okay, somewhere I passed, and okay, in that section itself we had written that one. Okay, nice. So this code actually I will give you all, means whatever code we have, first a practice. After that I will not give now. So anyone having issue in that one, background fix? We already seen that also previously. No issue? Let's comment this. Attachment, yeah. Image should be more bigger actually, then only that will work. So next. Yeah, so background fixed, that completed. Now background attachment. Yeah, in the same property, background attachment itself, there is one fixed property and there is one scroll bar, a scroll. So you will get a scroll type. That's it. It will work same type. Now came to whatever CSS regarding background we had written with a shorthand notation. What are you getting from the shorthand notation? Anyone? Shorthand means what? Any idea? Hello? All are sleeping.
Yes, sir.
What are you getting idea from shorthand? Shorthand in the sense, just one line, it will get all the things. So see, I will take this. Whatever property just now we had seen regarding all the background case, that we will write in single line. How we will write single line? Just see this paragraph, this body. Okay, come to the body section. I passed like this way. What all these? So what is this one? So when you
White
start
color.
writing, just 1 second, when you start writing shorthand notation, that time you not have to give different property, just you have to pass background. That's it. Because in upper you can see that we had written background dash position, background dash color, background dash image, background dash repeat, like this way. But when you writing shorthand, no need to pass like this. Just you have to pass one common name, which is background, and after that whatever you will pass here, it will auto take those all. Okay, like a color, we had passed here color name. Same thing we had done by the property, exact property background color. So what I will do? Okay, I will go with this color. Second, URL. What was that URL? URL was image tag. Okay, I will copy this. Just 1 second. Pass that image. Fine. Then what is this no repeat? What it going to do actually? It was stopping what? No repeat.
Repetition.
Repetition. So it's going to stop your repetition. What about the top? What is this one? This is position. Correct. So this is going to hold your image in the top side. What I will do, I will uncomment this all line above one, and we will look over the effect of this and save. See, you can observe now. 1 second. Is it running or not? This is for body section. Let's check. Okay, so in the background, what we are observing there, something written there. Okay, in the URL, some image. Which type of image? This one, that not coming. Remove this image itself. Actually, due to background color, it's not working. That one, we can't able to see. But yeah, one thing, yeah, that is coming actually. Where that coming? What is the image position? What is image position? Right?
Right.
Top.
Right.
See in the corner, right top. Image is there. And whatever text you getting in the, it is on the top. So right corner, that image is coming. Then what about repetition? No repeat. Remove this one. Let's see. We got all images in the repeated form. So we will apply here, no repeat. Fine. Then we had passed the image and then we had passed the background color. When the background color is working, when image will be in the separate area, means wherever it will get a space, empty a space. In that case, you will get this color. Got this? Clear? See, your image is in the top right side, then background color will be red. So this is the process of writing same thing in the shorthand notation. That's it. So in the background, we had covered these all things. Anyone having any issue regarding background? Tell me. Something is there, just you can go one by one, you will get more clarity. But for batch 2, I will tell, don't waste time as like batch 1. They have not done practice. Now they're telling we are suffering that issue. Okay. So I will suggest don't waste time. Whatever you getting, please practice all. So see here, some background properties is there, some more property, because this is not only background property. There are many property, because when you will inspect in your DOM, you will look over. See, if I passing here background only. Oh, sorry, that came on the HTML. That's why. How I can take inspect directly, click there. Sorry, click this one. We got now pass here background. Second. Yeah. Oh, due to that a small screen, we was not getting. 1 second. BSCK. See background. When I pass background, how much properties there? Background attachment, blend mode, clip, color, position, repeat. Different properties there. Up to the here background. But almost we had seen that I will tell you. Background size also I seen. Background repeat X and Y. What you will do? Background repeat X. Let's see. Repeat or no repeat? You want to repeat, you can pass this value. But background repeat -x was not there property. Background repeat and then X on something property was there. Yeah, repeat along X and like this way. So sometime maybe it will give mistake due to this is a text, that's why actually. So in image case we have to pass like. So there is not limited, it's much more, but whatever we know, we seen, that's enough. That I will tell. Anyone having any issue in the case of background, let me know. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, give me 1 minute. Hello. Yeah. So now we will look over border. Pooja, can you tell me what is border? How we're writing the code for border?
Style, border, solid.
Okay. I want to add border in the upper bit. Okay, full body. Go with full body itself, not an issue. Otherwise, just a second text. This H1. I want to pass border for this particular H1. I will take one class. Let's go with class first. And what will the class name? Take anything. Heading. Take this class name. And then see these all property we know. One by one, you will realize that all idea we have. Because that's why we covering maximum thing in the CSS itself. So border property. We will write like this. BORDE. Border. Tell me first.
Solid.
Solid. SOLID. Solid.
The pixel.
Here. First. So first we will pass a 2 pixel, 5 pixel, anything. Then solid and then color name. Correct. So go with a color name. Don't take this. Red. Save. We got the border that bit. Due to this, you can't getting because background is green. Fine. Now we got the border. See this particular this section become the border. Now I want not this border. I want something different border. You can pass. Okay, let's check that. There is another value is also there for the unit property. Means in the case of unit, be passing another thing like percentage and EM. Another also there. Let's go with other 32. Oh, sorry, it become too much. Go with 10 pixel first. We got border in that way. Now I will remove PX. Another unit as like kg, meter, centimeter, like that type. We can pass here different also. Not only this, everywhere in CSS, wherever a number, letter, digit will come. EM, another one. Let's see what happened. It become this much big border. Means EM value having more. That's why. So let's check with percentage, whether we can go with percentage or not. So no, percentage case, it not worked. So we can go with always be trying to go with pixel. That's the thing. So pixel. This way we can got this much margin. Clear? Next, what are the different types of border? You can see here. Remove the solid and you will get different. DOTT dotted. Let's see. We got like this way. We want something different. DASH dashed. Let's save. You will get different type border. Means like this way there are some different types of border. You can go one by one, means one by one, and you can verify that what are the things. I think in border we can add image also. Maybe somewhere you will get that property. So now just go through the document where you have dot. Just wait. Okay, so in a style, what we had got different types, dotted, dash, double, group. These all are different property. If you not want border, no issue. Pass a hidden or none. They become no border will be there. In case of a hidden, border will be there, but in case of none, border will be not. Means in both cases border will not there. First point. Second, in hidden, it will be hide only. Means in DOM, it will get that section, that it will get an area. When we will get that property, exact property in the CSS upcoming, that property will be, that time we will see the difference between none and hidden. Next, if you want just a border property, what you can do? P dot, whatever border name they had, they passed, and border style, what type style they want. Okay, means the same thing we had written in the shortcut. Nobody will write, never we are using like this way. We are using, this is just one by one property they're showing actually. Okay, then CSS border width. Where is the border width? We had passed this one, 10 pixel. This is border width. Next, so see what he had done. He had separated one, means one text itself. What they passed first, border style. Which type of a style you want? solid, dotted, dash, whatever. Then border width. What will be the last? This one, border. Okay, remove this. Okay, what I want to pass that one. What we will write? Border dash color. Correct or not? Because that is, sorry. Border dash color. Let's see. It worked the same because previously we had written in the shorthand notation and now we had written in the separate notation, because every time you will not get only shorthand. Background case we never writing this way, but you can, not an issue. But in case of border we always going with like this way itself. Okay, because it's a simple, just you can pass like this directly. But if you want, you can go with that also. Border dash color like this way, separate. Both, but output will be same. It's not going to matter whether what is the output. Let's save. We got this one. So next, so two things, a space side bit. Now, yeah, now the concept here. Wait, background color, where is that red? Okay, suppose now you getting that a border in which direction, means which side? All side same border or differ? Hello? Whatever border we are getting, thickness of that border, it is same all side or not?
Yes, sir. Same, sir.
It's the same. I not want same. What we will do?
We can pass other value for particular side, sir.
Wait. It will not take like this way. Fine. So see what I want. I want different side border. What you will do? Just first I will show you where is my paint. Let me open paint. So see, in case of border, observe here, we had passed something like this way. Fine. So all become equal, all side. Suppose that what we had passed here now, 10 pixel. Yeah, 10 pixel. So what is the value of 10 pixel? Which side it getting? 10. Tell me. Which side 10 is coming now? What is the size now? This side? This side also 10 pixel, means all are looking same, correct? Please speak up.
All sides, sir.
All side same. So all side it is like a 10 pixel. Fine. But I not want all side should be 10. I want something should be differ. What I will do? I will pass a border width separate. Remove this one. I want that color and this thing, it's fine. But I want something border width, some different. Do one thing. BORD. Sorry. Border. Where is that? Border dash width. Yeah. Border dash width. Pass 1 pixel. Now you will realize 1 pixel. Then when you have value, just only single value, it will come in all direction. Now what I will do? Pass another value, one more. Pass 50 pixel. 2 value. Now tell me which side you got different border. Which side? Which side 10 and
Left and right.
Right and left.
which side 50? I think 50.
Left or right,
Yeah.
sir?
Left and right, sir. Left and right.
Left and right 50. And top and bottom 20. Correct or not? Because it's looking thick. Wait, do one thing. Remove this top. Go 2 pixel. You can easily realize. So this way we can pass different value. But one thing, how it utilizes that one. Wait. So when that single value, first cut this one. So single value all side. Fine. Let's comment this one and go with next value. When you have two value, then you getting in two direction. That is left, right, and top and bottom. Okay. Then next value. Pass now three value. Remove this 50. Go with 25 and pass here as like a 10 pixel. Which side it came? Can anyone? What about
Bottom.
2 pixel? 2
Top
pixel.
pix-
Which, yeah,
Top.
pix-
2
top.
pixel top.
2 pixel in the top. Where is 25 pixel?
Left and
Right.
right.
Left and right 25. What about 10 pixel? It came in the bottom.
Bottom.
Okay, I will go with next. Just wait. I will pass 100 pixel. I don't know how much big that will be. What are you thinking now? Which side? Which one?
So 2 pixel top, bottom 10 pixel, left 100 pixel, and 10 pixel is
Okay. So what we
25.
got means we got that with the help of this type, we can pass a different it means a size width with the help of different property. Means when we passing separate value, with the help of that we can get different width of the border. Same thing we can do with the color. I will tell you about the sequence, but just go with the color first. So suppose that BORDER border dash color. What is it now? Now that is red. Let's save. Which side you got this color? Right side means sorry, all side. I not want like this way. I want BORDER border hyphen color. Pass a two value. Pass one as wait. Pass one as red. Okay, and one as yellow. Now tell me, what will be the output? We will get output or not? Pooja?
Output become
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
what will be
Red
output?
should, the red
Sir,
on the
up
top.
to red and green to right, green, yellow, right.
Okay, let it to be. Which side it will come, not the matter. But we will get output. That is the matter. We got something. Now, this way we can pass our means color or beads, whatever you want, even dotted, solid. For that also particular area, particular side. This is shorthand notation. But if you not want like this way, you can pass another option. What is another option? You can go with like that. Border dress. I don't know where. Yeah, border top width. Border top. What it will do? Color. No, this one. Okay. In the suppose if be passing like this way, border top, then you have to pass the complete property, which be passing in the starting time 10 pixel, then solid, and then red, like this way. Then only border top will you will get like this. Got this or not? See what we had passed. We pass a border hyphen top. So due to this, we got this property in the top section only. If we want in the bottom, we can pass. Means this becomes shorthand for separate area. Now my question is that how we will decide which side and how the value is rotating. Okay, suppose we had passed 2 pixel, which side it had came, then 20 pixel means whatever 2 value, then we pass 3 value, then we pass 4 value. Why not 5 value? Can we pass 5 value? 5 value we can pass or not?
Yeah, sir, I think.
Wow.
No,
What about
sir.
others? Where fifth value will implemented? He have 4 side. Why you think like this type, Dharmendra? Don't think that type. Okay, fifth value will not, because which fifth value? This one. 4 value we had passed, width or whatever, because they have 4 side only. Then why, how that fifth value will become work in that? It's not. So next, how we will decide whether which value will go which side. So when you have only one value, it will occupy in all direction. Is clear first one or not? Pooja, clear? Shivani?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now go with the 2 value. One value means all side. When you will get 2 value, when we will get 2 value, wait. Yeah. So 2 value, suppose that, and it is rectangle or whatever shape, it's not the matter. Suppose that 2 value, then what happen? From where the value will start? Value will start from the top. Okay. Suppose we have value like 10, 20. That's it. Go with 10 and 30. Remove this 10. I will take 3. So when we have value, 2 value only. One is 10 and one is 30. Sorry, one is 3 and one is 30. So which value will be 3 and which value will be 30? So always it will start from the top. So what will be the top value? First one. It will be 3. Fine. First will be 3. What about the left side?
30.
30. Rotate clockwise. 30. What about this one? Bottom. This will be 3. What about this value?
30.
30. How we will believe? Just verify in our output. Means when you have 2 value, that time it will split in 2 section, top, bottom, left, right, like this way. 2 value. Just you can rotate like this. That's it. So go with a 2 value. Comment this line and uncomment this line. What we had passed? We had passed 2 and we had passed 30. And let's save and let's see. Now observe your changes with our diagram. Top first value is 3 and bottom value is 3 and the left and right become 30. Now tell me, anyone having doubt in this one? With 2 value. Clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now come with 3 value. If suppose you have 3 value, how that will rotate? There is the text. Yeah. Okay. We will go one value 3, one value as 20 and one value as 50. Now tell me which value, which side? What about the top? Always it will start from the top. Okay. So what will be the top value?
3,
How
sir.
much? 3. Pooja, what will be the second value? Wait, I will go one by one. What will be second value? Right
20.
side. 20. Okay. Bottom value.
50.
Okay. Left value.
20.
Sir, bottom 3.
Okay. Let it to be. Yeah. You telling 20. Someone what telling?
No, sir, 50. 50.
50. Anyone? Anything?
Sir, bottom 3, I think.
Okay. This is Amol value.
Sir, I think sir 20 is right.
I don't know. I have not idea. This is KBC. Okay. One time if you told, answer become lock. Okay. I change your answer. Shivani, I think you're telling something.
50.
50. Okay. Shivani Sinha,
The
50.
bottom
Pooja.
3.
Oh, you telling your own value. Wait 1 second. Shivani 50. Bottom. Wait, I will change color. You have to remember your color. Yeah. Tell me.
Bottom 3.
3. Fine. What about this side?
So 20. Same.
20.
Same.
Okay. Top.
Same.
10.
3.
Oh, 3.
3.
Okay. Pooja, will you try? You
Yes.
will tell no, it's fine. Let it to be. Yeah, tell.
First one, top 3.
Wait 1 second. Let me change color. They will not fight that this is my value or not. Yeah. First is 3.
Second, 20,
20,
50,
50. Oh, she is going with Amol. She know that he is my batchmate. Okay. This one?
20.
Oh, 20.
Yeah,
She
sir.
is
20 obviously.
she is completely with Amol. Okay. So we got this 3 value. So do one thing. First check the output. Then we will come on this conclusion. 3 value. What are the values we have taken? 3, 20, 50. 3, 25. Okay. Let increase this value. 50. 2 or 3 is not the matter. Verify your output. What is the top value? That is 3. Correct. Second value 20. That also fine. What about bottom value? Bottom is 50 because it is more thicker. Correct. So what they had told, somebody told, Amol told 50 and Pooja told 50. Shivani, your value is wrong. That is 3. Okay. What about the left side? Amol told 20. 20 is fine. Then Amol, Pooja told 20. That also fine. Shivani, again you are wrong. Okay. So how that rotating actually? When you have 3 value, let me reduce this one. Yeah, when you have 3 value, first value will go on the top. That is clear for all. Okay. So first value will be on the top. Correct. Second value. When you getting second value, a split second value in left and right, both direction. 20 and a split the another value 20 in this side. Clear or not? Up to this. You have 3 value. First value will be in the top and second value split both side, because when you start writing clockwise, you will get the second value in the right side, this side. Correct. We will get our second value in the right side, this side, second value. So just take the second value and pass here. Okay. And after that, the same value you have to pass here also in this direction. This is not a trick or nothing. This is universal. You will get the same thing everywhere. We will look over this same thing in the that padding margin everywhere. So 20, 20 left and right, both side. What about 50? Only one value is pending. So 50 become in the bottom. Clear or not? This is the rotation of this value. Anyone having any doubt? Tell me. In first value, just only one value, all direction, no contradiction, no issue. When you have 2 value, first value will be in the top, first value in the top and bottom, second value will be in the left and right. As usual, second value going in the left side, same thing be done here. Second value going in the, means a 20, which is 20. 1 second. Second value is 20. So first value will be in the top, second value in the left side. Sorry, right side. And in the upper, when we have 2 value, that time what we by doing, whatever value coming in the second time means the right side, same value we was passing in the left also. But here we have not that value. So second value we will pass in the right side. Okay. And same value we will pass in the left side also. So only one value is pending, that will be in the bottom. Clear? This is the series. This way we have to move. So what about the fourth value? I think now you can answer this easily. Let me check. There is the text. Fine. Okay. Go with fourth value. One value 2, one value 10, one value 30, and one value 50. What will be direction? Pooja.
2, top 2.
Okay. I start. I will no issue. No need to write. 2. Next.
Right 10.
Right 10. Next.
And the bottom 30.
30.
And 50.
50. Shivani, what is your value?
The same. 2, 10,
Oh,
15.
she thought this time that she had done correct. So why I will go with other value?
No, sir.
I know about you. So first I had taken 2, go with 10, and then go with 30. Let it to be okay. Let it to be 30 and 100 pixel. So see, first value 2, whatever first value we had passed, that value came. Then second value is 10. See the border thickness 10, then 30, then 100. Clear? Or anyone having doubt in this one? So this way we can predict which side which border will be. That is the thing. Clear? Or anyone having any doubt in this case? Border property. We covered all the condition of border. And same thing I had seen the color specific also for particular means a particular side. Same type this is working. Border color. Just now be seen same type this also. There will be no any changes. So anyone having any issue? Then again same thing for border style also. We can pass in that way. That if you want a different border, different side, what you will do? Just to go with that example. BORDER. Border. What is that? Border color top right width. Border dash style, I think. Border hyphen style. Yeah. Yeah, correct. So dot, what we did? Dash. So see, we got all side as a dash. Why you not observing this side? Because the thickness is too much. That's why. Do one thing. Just comment this and uncomment my single value. Let's see. We got all side that value. I not want this one. Somebody will tell if you not want left, why you think taking that? Okay, what I want that do 2 direction or 3 direction different. Pass another value. Go with solid. What happened? Top, bottom same, left, right become change. Take another. See, top, left and right same, bottom is different. Like this way we can take that all the property. Clear? Anyone want any help more? Tell me. So this way we can go with the different style of the border. Okay, same thing we can do with a particular text, particular element also, particular div, whatever you want. Shorthand notation. We already from starting itself we are writing the shorthand notation of this one. Border 5 pixel solid red. This is your shorthand notation. From starting itself we are writing this. So one more property, border radius. Okay, just to go with this. What it going to do actually? Pass this and let's see what you observed. Had you observed something? See the corner. Each corner it becomes circular type. So with the help of this, you can make a circle, ellipse, like that type of design. And it will depend on what? It will depend on your text, how much text you are passing. So see what I will do. I will pass this border property bit. H2 HEAD head. Now see, I had written one text head. In this, I want the same class which is applicable here for the border. That is heading. Okay, I will take this class. Pass. Oh, okay. Now, can anyone tell me, Pooja or Shivani, both of you guys, why we got a border like this way when we taking a head only? Text. I had told that it depend on the text. So due to text, it have to come in this way only. But why we got like this?
Because of the heading.
Because of not the heading, something a special name is that.
Class. Because class.
What? Because class.
Because of class. Inside class we define.
Wait. 1 second. BORD, border, 3 pixel, solid, red. You're telling that, oh sorry, what I written. Yeah. But you're telling that we had written inside class, that's why. Wait. I will change this heading to heading 2. Yeah, what you telling? Yeah, heading 2. Where is the border radius? Oh, did not pass. Okay. Which class you telling? This one. Okay. I showing then one thing. Now tell me what happened. By the same style, when we applied on the span, it came like that eclipse type. When we passed on the head H2, it coming like that way. First, Shivani and Pooja, you have to tell the answer. A style.
Yes.
Because span is used for a particular word. That's why it shows like eclipse.
Particular word means what?
But
It will tell that I will be a small always.
span text.
No, Amol. What are you thinking?
Sir, span is the particle text in pace, and EH2 is the.
No, that's not. Roshan. Shivani Kumari.
So strong this text.
What are you telling?
Hello.
Yeah. Carry on.
So strong this text.
A strong?
This text.
No.
Bold.
My question is that's fine. Bold, that's not an issue. I telling that if we taken with a span text, something is that it occupied that space only. Correct?
Yes.
It had occupied this much space only. This border, whatever border we provided. But in this case, we had provided a text only this section. Wait, if you're thinking like this, just wait. Both question, head is written. Fine. Yes. But in this head, it occupied in this much space, and in this head, it occupied like that way. And a style, class, both have same thing. There is no difference.
Sir, span tag only particular text for the
particular text in the sense, suppose I want to color this particular text, then we will use a span. Fine. Yes. But that I telling, when we pass a code with our span, it given boundary, but it not given boundary in full section, means a full, as like a head section have. This is a head having. That I asking, why head taken like this way and why a span area taken like this way? Dharmender.
Sir, block line element. Head tag is block line element, sir.
Got it.
Block level element, sir.
Yeah, correct. So that is the thing. Head is the block level element and the span is the inline element. So inline element, it will occupy that as much space only where the text is. But in block level element, it will occupy the space of a full screen, left to right. That's why we had passed a text this much only. Then also it occupied the full space because of the block level and inline. This is the difference. Clear? Pooja.
Yes, sir.
Shivani, clear?
Yes.
Clear or not? Whenever you will get like this type, that a block level element, then you will get output like this way. Not only head, whatever block level element. Suppose a div itself. Remove this. Pass a div. Let's see whether it's block level or what. See, in div, it occupied the full width of the screen. Got this? So this is the thing actually. So you have to decide which tag we have to use and when. When you not want to break into new line, go with inline. When you want to break into new line, go with a block level. So these all are property of a border. Okay, and already means maximum be discussed. Nothing is pending in the case of border, but you have to practice one by one all that whatever we are giving. So next day we will cover, not next day, today evening we will go 1 hour that CSS class and 1 hour bootstrap class. Okay. So because bootstrap is easy, so we will go 1 hour slowly that one, and 1 hour we will cover this one. So evening time we will cover this margin area. Now margin is nothing because we know this property, how we writing top, right, left, bottom. In the case of border, same thing will applicable here. It is just 10 minutes. That's it. Now tell me if anyone having any doubt. I'm going to stop recording first.